Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to set up your microbit and Blynk app to communicate with each other and send messages from the app to the microbit, which will then display them on the connected LCD screen. For this project we will need Rakabit with microbit, Groove Wi-Fi 8266, 3V LCD. The connection should be this way. Go to Blynk website, create a new account and log in. Start by creating a new template for microbit. From data stream, add a virtual pin and change the data type to string. Then add a new device. Select the template that you have created. Now copy the token and let's start making the code for microbit. On MakeCode editor, start a new project. Then add the Groove Wi-Fi extension and the LCD extension using this link. You can find it in the description below. Now add these blocks. Here, type in the name and password of your Wi-Fi. At Blynk block, paste the token and select virtual pin 0. Now download the code to your microbit. On your phone, open Blynk app and click on the microbit device. From the widget box, add a terminal and change these settings. Now you can type the message and it will be displayed on the LCD. That's all for today's tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Stay tuned and see you next time.